My partner and I decided to fly to Iceland. On the plane, I had this cute lavender gin drink and another gin drink. Not all at the same time, but I decided to try it out, and it is so aesthetic. I actually really like that drink, and we'll have to get it imported to these states now. So we made it into Reykjavik around noon, and we decided to stop by, grab some food. They didn't serve any food on the plane. Come on, Iceland Air. Also, look how chic their KFC is. And then we had to drive all the way to Akureyri, which was about 5 hours. We're under the water. Oh wow, we're under the water. Stopping for a coffee break, almost at our Airbnb. Trying to figure out how to get gas at this 2-pump station. You can see the crease marks of my glasses. I've stayed awake for over 24 hours so far. I pulled an all-nighter. I stayed awake on the plane. A shadow at We stopped at this pig grocery store, get groceries before we go to our Airbnb. I'm really excited to see what unique things they have. It's so cool. They have like a separate room for cold things. Okay, we're gonna try to get dinner here. Let's see how it goes. We're driving into Doomsday, while right over here is just beautiful and peaceful and happy. Well, we're at a dilemma. Little sheep. It knows I have a lamb shawarma. This is very much free range. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. All right, our Airbnb is right there. And we got a couple goats, sheep in the way. Maybe they'll move. Oh, there they go. There they go. Hello. Bah! Airbnb tour. First of all, we got a mirror. Second of all, it's all made of wood. They got like slippers and take off shoes maybe. Okay.
Take off shoes.
Once I take off shoes, tour will commence. All right, let's walk around. Isn't it so adorable? This room. Oh, honestly, I thought this was just the wall. It blended in. Oh my god.
What's the jacuzzi?
Huge. Wow. Oh my god, I have these same bar stools from Amazon. Just wanted to show that I do indeed have the same bar stools, just in a different color. They got a fireplace. Bedroom? Should we? This is a very disorganized tour. Oh wow.
It's like a full bed and like baby crib.
So should I sleep in the crib? Look at me. Look at me on this.
Don't destroy it. It's made for,
Okay.
it's made for smaller babies.
You calling me a big baby? Oh, they got waffles too.
Oh my gosh, there's so many beds.
I did not know there was an upstairs.
There are more beds.
Next time, there needs to be a group Iceland trip. Oh my god, I can't walk up
This
this.
is a bit like, they're just like beds everywhere essentially.
Just a random teddy bear on the ceiling. This place is so funny. Oh, and can we talk about the view? The view! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. He's a kitty. And there's sheep.
There's one older sheep when they.
Oh.
What's it called? The sound they make?
Kitty,
When they bark.
kitty, come to me.
Wait, what is this? What is this?
It's
Sound?
called ba.
Really?
Ba.
No, when they bark, the one sounds like he's vomiting.
Huh?
The old one over there sounds like he's vomiting.
Sheep are playful. Kitty. It has different colored eyes. Hello. Hey, baby. So many.
Has a big.
Big horns. But he seems old.
Yeah.
This is the entire welcoming party. Hi, baby. They're just mowing the lawn, you know. Oh, it's adorable. So I want to do a review for skyr, which it's similar to yogurt, but it's not. So we'll see how it's different. I'm not sure if it's the situation where you gotta stir from the bottom to get the strawberry. And it's lactose free. At least this brand is. Oh, it's good. I honestly like it more than regular yogurt because it doesn't have this like sour aspect that some yogurts have. And I don't know how, but it's so creamy and it's creamier than the regular yogurts back in the States, I would say. The one caveat would be like those wee yogurts in the little glass jars, but it's a different level.
Yeah. Oh, you're talking to.
It's currently 10 p.m. and this is what the outside looks like. That's so wild. There's the sun somewhere over there. Good morning. We went to bed at 10 and woke up at 11:30. So there's that. We're gonna eat some breakfast, get ready, figure out what to do. I put some things into ChatGPT, so maybe we'll do their suggestions. See you later. So our first stop was Goðafoss Waterfall. This is 45 minutes from Akureyri in northern Iceland.
Go to the other spot.
Let's take a picture real quick. Come here. I got a video going. Before people come on. Let's take a picture. Okay. The water that is flowing is from the river 𝚠𝚊𝚆𝚗𝚐𝚗𝚐, and the waterfall has a height of 12 meters and a width of 30 meters. Is you have to drive a little bit so they know to move. Okay, let's go in. It's so dark.
You want me to go first?
It's scary. You go first.
I
don't even know where to go.
I don't know either.
It's so quiet.
Oh. can smell it. It's like really...
Is that it?
Oh yeah, here's the water.
How is this in Game? So to answer my question, this was a scene in Game of Thrones where Jon and Ingrid were really getting intimate and things were getting hot and steamy. Then we moseyed our way to Hverir. Here you'll find natural steam vents and mud pools. And with the red, dry environment, free from any vegetation, you feel as though you're on another planet. Fun fact, during the late medieval times, half of the sulfur that Europe needed for its gunpowdered wars were mined here.
Laying on the sofa, a cup of orange juice in my hand, waiting for some thunder, fireworks, some fun. I haven't been feeling it lately. Technology, come and help me. I just wanna feel.
I'm just gonna get a video and take a screenshot.
Want to go on my phone? I think it's you're about to get it, it's like, oh yeah, on the back.
Oh no, the cow's coming to us, babe. Oh, I'm sorry, bye. Oh my god, but can I low-key pet a cow? Can low-key? Low-key? Cows can't get rabies. It kind of wanted, we ghosted it, babe.
All these right up